Our next guest is Manny Frangiadakis from 12 Point Wealth Management. Hi, Manny.
Hi, guys. Thank
Hey,
you for
Manny.
having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
What's 12 Point Management?
12 Points Wealth Management is a RIA, a registered investment advisory, specializing in wealth management for medium-sized family to high net worth individuals. And going also to a second level, we have a commodity trading company known as 12 Points Capital and a retirement company known as 12 Points Retirement starting January 1st.
So you catch everybody, if you don't like commodity trading, you do
Right.
it for
So,
them?
I mean, in a commodity business, you're dealing with a lot more risk-adverse individuals that are taking on that risk. It's not for everybody, but we do have a fair amount of clientele that's there.
How did you come to 12 Point?
Well, I was started off at Morgan Stanley right out of college, and I worked there for about 4 years, and I met a great group of individuals there, my partner Dave and my partner Francesca. This last year, we decided that we would better be able to suit our clients by maybe going private, and we looked into that opportunity and decided to form 12 Points Wealth, which started June 1st.
When did you start thinking about doing this on your own?
Well, we had some problems with the wirehouses when we were at Morgan and some brokerage problems, and we had some issues with some clients not being able to do some things that they wanted to. And when you're at a brokerage firm, it's more about fitting the client into the wirehouse's need than what the client needs. And we wanted to act more on a fiduciary standard, which is why we went to an IRA format. So we wanted to be able to do what was best for the client and not what was best for the company.
You're going to open an office in Boston.
Yes.
And how big's the office in Boston going to be?
About 2,000 square feet.
So what do you see as the challenges in doing this business?
I think it's definitely going out there and building a brand and servicing your clients to the best of your ability. I don't think this market is an easy market to be playing in right now.
Very competitive.
Yeah.
It's a leading financial market. It's an A market for financial.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what differentiates you?
Well,
I look at you,
Yeah.
let's say Peter and I have lots of assets we've accumulated
Mhm.
over our life. We have secure investments. Why would we change? What's your pitch?
So at the moment we are an RIA, and we work on a fiduciary standard. So we can't do any.
What's an IRA? Explain
RIA,
for our audience.
It's a registered investment advisor.
Okay.
Right.
And we're state level registered right now. So what separates us is that we acted on fiduciary responsibility. We can only do what's best for the client. It's not what's best for us. We're not making money on what we sell versus what other people sell. We're not getting a claim on the asset. We're doing what's best for them. I think what really separates us is the fact that me and my partner Dave actually trade commodities. We're both Series 3 licensed and play a pretty big part of that market. So we get a global aspect of what's going on in the world, whether that's currencies, energies, any type of commodity that fluctuates from geopolitical events. We pretty much have an eye on anything that's going on in the world, which gives us a really good idea of what's happening in the market on a day-to-day basis.
How'd you
Therefore,
pick the
we're
name?
getting 12 points. 12 points comes from the 12 points of the Scout Law. My partner, David Clayman, actually is the president of the Boston Eagle Scout Association. So 12 points was honestly, we needed something that we really wanted to resonate. And the 12 points of the Scout Law are things along the lines of friendly, reverent, cheerful, helpful, brave, trustworthy, loyal, all stuff that you would really want your wealth advisor to kind of represent.
So it's the end of the year. It's December. I always like December.
Mm-hmm.
What are the big things that you're getting your clients in a headlock telling them they have to do before the end of the year?
Just getting ready for tax purposes, making sure that most of the people in our clients have CPAs and lawyers and different advisors that they work with, and we ask them that they honestly make sure that everyone is talking with each other and communicating. I think that a lot of people in this industry don't communicate with the other half of the team that a client is working with in terms of, is their CPA talking with their advisor and letting them know what's going on. So we talk at this point to make sure that you starting the year off strong and everything is on the same page.